I'm off to go see the cows. I thought it'd be quite an entertaining excursion for whoever cares, but yeah, we're gonna go see that. The background is so wide, but anyway, yeah, so I'm gonna go do that and we'll see. Trying to avoid all the brambles, but yeah, this is the fit with my leg brace and everything. I'm here in the pastures, but I'm gonna go find them now. So let me go and find them and see what they're up to. I have no idea actually where they are, but I think they're here, like in the pastures. We'll see. So they're not where I thought they were, which is over there. So I'm gonna have to walk all the way back around. I actually have no idea where they are, but I'm gonna go have my suspicions. I'm gonna go see. Yeah, I'm gonna go into the forest. And that's what I mean by the forest. It's just in there. But yeah. So I'm in the forest, and our neighbor has like given me an idea of where they are. So I just gotta get there. But this is what we're dealing with. It's just like, yeah. Anyway, I keep walking into spiderwebs and it's not fun. I'll show you. It's right there. It's hard to see, but it's right there. But yeah, these cows are actually really chilled. Very passive, and yeah, they've had calves like the last month or so, so we're gonna see those, but the mothers are pretty protective, so the likelihood of getting close to one is quite slim. Anyway, this is what we're dealing with, and then the pastures are like there. Honestly, quite close. But I'll show you. And there's this cool trail that I follow. I think it's made by the cows, and honestly, the majority is made by the cows. It's very faint, but it's there. We're in the pastures now, on the cusp of the forest. But yeah, it's really cool. I've been contemplating filming something like this, just for the sake of entertainment for myself, for whoever wants to watch. Whether it's no one, I don't mind. But yeah, I think I can see the cows actually. Maybe we'll see. When I was younger, we had this pulley system. I don't know if you can see, it goes all the way to that tree. And it's like I don't know how to explain it. Like a zip rope. But yeah, it was really cool. You just had to stop in time before you hit the tree. I found some of our cows, as in the bull, and it's not looking very optimistic. Like you see now, it's quite threatening. I don't know. And then we have a donkey also. But look at it. It is not happy. And then there's the donkey just living its best life. And over here we have a random dam. So this donkey is quite insane. Can you see it? Okay, there. But so I'm quite scared. We'll see. Okay, it's moving off. I have to hop over this electric fence, but I'm in the pasture with it now. Okay, it's just moving off. It's just there. Anyway, We'll see. I'm still a bit nervous. So I thought it was just one bull, but you can see there's two more behind it. But those are the young ones. So this thing, if you touch it, it will shock you. It's obviously just to stop the animals from coming through, but yeah. Sorry. I was just giving my life to opening this gate. Okay. With you, I still actually have no idea where the animals are. Yeah, I'm a bit confused. Anyway, I think I know where they are. It's far. It's far. I've been walking like all the way around. Anyway, oh my god! This is a marsh. Can you hear that? I'm about to show you what the it's like a marsh of some weird stuff. You see? That's why I wore these boots. So I've got somewhere. After like pushing through bushes and jumping fences. Look at my brace. Oh. Anyway, I'm just gonna have to pull these off one by one. I think we're on the right track because these are all cow prints. Maybe we're on the complete wrong track, but yeah. Guys, after a long and hard search, I finally found them. Look at this type of terrain. What a fun little walk. Here they are, guys. And there's babies, you can see. Babies. But yeah, they're happy. There's a mother protecting a baby. You can see that. I don't know if they're curious or unhappy, but yeah. There's some more. This one in particular doesn't like people. I'm just sitting in their pasture while flies attack me, but they seem pretty unfazed. Yeah. This one's a little bit curious. To be honest, majority of the teenagers seem to be, and that's just by nature, they're quite curious, so they come up and say hello, and they like, you put your hand out and they touch it with their nose. It's really cute, but yeah, we'll see. Let's see if this works. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. Hey. I'm trying to determine which is an intrigued teenager and which is a aggressive, protective mother. But I'm not quite sure. They're just all circling me. I think they're just living their best life. Like this mother has a baby right behind her. I don't think she wants to budge. They like to come up behind you. You see, they're very interested. Yeah. But I think that's my time up with them. I'm getting like attacked by the sun and the flies, and I don't bother them anymore. So this is them. See all their tails like swinging, getting rid of the flies. So yeah, I thought it would be cool to just, you know, romanticize the farm lifestyle a bit and force myself to get out of my room, and show you guys a little bit into my life, because yeah, this is it. So yeah, hope you enjoyed.